Assessing the flavour profile and quality of pineapples has always required a physical assessment of the flesh. Laboratory tests measure sweetness and acidity, methods that are time-consuming and invasive, leaving the fruit unfit for sale. Researchers at Curtin, Malaysia are refining an alternative approach that is non-destructive. PineSense is an artificial intelligence-driven method that has benchmarked the correlation between the colour of the fruit's shell and its sweetness or acidity. An image of each pineapple is separated from its background, and its colour data is assessed through quality prediction modelling. Where current methods will represent batches of fruit, PineSense's capability to assess quickly and accurately now makes it possible to grade individual pineapples for different sectors of the market during processing. By keeping the fruit intact, this new approach to testing could prevent up to 500,000 tonnes of global pineapple production being wasted annually. The PineSense process could be adapted to test other varieties of fresh produce.